Yes. Now today our topic is trigonometric ratios, derivation of trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. First of all, we will take a right angle triangle. A, B, C. That is your right angle triangle. And in right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Okay? Yes. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. ABC is a ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let angle A is equal to 45 degree. हमें लेट किया इसको. Okay. We are considering that let angle A is equal to 45 degree because we are finding the ratio of 45 degree. So we are considering it at angle 45 degree. Okay. हमने एंगल A को 45 डिग्री क्यों कंसीडर किया? क्योंकि we are solving that trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So we are considering angle A is equal to 45 degree. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No.
Yes. In right angle triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? In 9th class you have already angle sum property of a triangle. Very good. Angle sum property of a triangle. Yes, note down it.
Yes.
Note down it. Okay, note down it. Yes. As you know that in right angle triangle, angle A 45 degree, angle C 45 degree. In right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Prove double. Any doubt, any problem?
No.
Yes. As you know that if in right if any triangle, if two angles are equals, then opposite side of equal angles will be equal. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay. It means AB is equal to BC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Why?
Sir, because opposite sides are equal and hence their angles are equal.
Yes. I am considering it is equal to A. I am considering is equal to A. Okay. opposite sides of equal angles are equal. Yes? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. This is your AB is A, BC is A. Now please tell me what will be your AC?
Root 2a.
Why?
Root 2a.
Why?
But
Yes. Now we yes in right angle triangle. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem.
yes.
We are saying first time yes. We are saying first time I am observing on the screen. Very good. You are coming on the screen. Vartika saying, am I audible to you?
Actually, I was sitting in exam room today, so many people are absent.
According to Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है. According to Pythagoras
So,
theorem.
what I am giving you, ma'am,
According to Pythagoras theorem.
I have given you one substitution.
ठीक है.
8 plus 4 period.
Hypotenuse square perpendicular square plus base square. What is your hypotenuse AC?
8 to median.
That is your AB square plus BC square. BC square. Perpendicular BC. Sorry.
Can I give you this?
Perpendicular BC.
आज आप यही कर लीजिए. इसमें मैं आपका ये
And base is your AB.
सर अगर हमें कोई स्पेसिफिक एंगल नहीं दिया हुआ है तो हम परपेंडिकुलर स्पेस किसी को भी मान सकते हैं ना?
Angle 45 degree. You can take angle C and angle B. You can take, but if you will take angle A as you are observing that perpendicular is A, base is A, there will be no side effect.
और इसके अलावा मैं आपको इंग्लिश
यहाँ पे कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला ही नहीं है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर भी A है, वहाँ पे आपका बेस भी A है. अगर आप BC को बेस लेते हैं, वहाँ पे एंगल C 45 डिग्री है. अगर वहाँ से एंगल C को 45 डिग्री कंसीडर करते हो, तो आपका बेस क्या है? BC हो रहा है, परपेंडिकुलर क्या है? AB हो रहा है. उससे भी कोई इफेक्ट पड़ने वाला नहीं है. अगर एंगल A को 45 डिग्री कंसीडर करते हो, तब भी कोई इफेक्ट पड़ने वाला नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी जो साइड BC है वो भी A है और साइड AB वो भी A है.
ये कल से मैं आपको दे दूंगी.
Yes.
आप ऑब्जर्वेशन कर लीजिए किसी क्लास में.
तो सर कोई भी परपेंडिकुलर और कोई भी एक ले सकते हैं ना?
हाँ ले सकते हैं.
अगर कोई है तो बात करिए.
AC is equal to twice of A square. AC is equal to
आपको कल से दे दूंगी और इंग्लिश
root 2A. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
जैसे क्लासेस आ रही है तो
That is root 2A. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
So these provings can come in exam.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. I'm listening. What happens? Yes. What happens?
So these provings can come in exam.
Proving. They can ask. They can. But listen. First term is based on your MCQ type. The
Yes, sir.
proof will not come. Proof will not come. Okay. If you will say, sir, prove it, I will prove it. Prove it. If you will say, sir, don't prove it, I will not prove it.
Okay, sir.
बोलिए, प्रूव करवाना है कि नहीं करवाना है? जल्दी बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
करवाना है प्रूव. प्रूव जो है वो
Yes, sir.
आपका फर्स्ट टर्म जो सिलेबस है, फर्स्ट टर्म जो एग्जामिनेशन है, एमसीक्यू टाइप है. तो एमसीक्यू टाइप में प्रूफ कहाँ से आएगा? प्रूफ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है?
Sir, we want to know.
But for your knowledge,
How to prove it.
but for your knowledge, you have to prove it. Okay? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now our next topic is trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree.
The boards can be found in a single triangle because
Yes.
complementary triangle.
Trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. First of all, we will take an equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles. All sides are equal. All sides are equals.
Each angle is 60 degree.
And each angle is of 60 degree.
Sir, because it is an equilateral triangle, so each side will be 60 degree.
Yes. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles.
Sir, but you said in the starting that we can apply these ratios only in an rectangular triangle.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, in the starting of the chapter, you said that these ratios are applicable only in a right-angled triangle.
Yes, Swasti, you are right. As you know that trigonometry is applicable only in right angle triangles. So, in equilateral triangles, we will draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular to make it right angle triangles. If there will be no right angle triangles, we cannot apply trigonometric ratios. Okay.
Yes, sir. We
Okay. Yes. ABC is equilateral triangles. Draw AD. Draw AD perpendicular on BC. Now it becomes right angle triangles. Now it becomes a right angle triangles. Why we will draw the right angles perpendicular?
To get the 40 degree, sir.
Yes. That is 90 degree. That is your 90 degree. Now draw AD perpendicular on BC. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Yes. In first of all we will make right angle triangle ADB and right angle triangle ADC congruence. ADB and ADC are two right angle triangles. First of all we will make it congruence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Angle ADB, how can you have already studied in 9th class? How can we make two triangle congruence, that is triangle ADB and ADC? Please tell me.
So by RHS rule.
RHS, yes. RHS congruence rule. RHS congruence rule. Very good. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. And angle ADB, angle ADC equal is 90 degrees. Angle ADB
So please move on. We are not here to argue.
कौन कर रहा है?
So now, let me understand.
Yes. Angle ADB, angle ADC is 90 degree. AB is equal to AC. Why?
Equal like the sides.
A, that is given. Side given. Equal A.
So maybe
And
it's
AD common.
common.
AD common.
In the second way, you have written like AB is equal to AC is equal to A given. So the reason also we can write in that equal sides of lateral side.
Understanding, we are considering that triangle ABC is equilateral triangles and all sides of equilateral triangles are equals. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. AD is equal to AD common. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Why? RS congruence rule.
RHS common.
RHS congruence rule. May I consider it angle 1 and angle 2?
Yes, sir, both will be equal.
And BD is equal to CD?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why BD is equal to CD?
CPCD. By CPCD.
Okay.
Yes. By CPCD. Yes. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is 60 by 2. 30 degree. Okay. And DD is equal to CD. That is A by 2. Okay. Y CPCD. Corresponding part of congruence triangle. Corresponding part of congruence triangles. That is A by 2. That is your 30 degree. Okay, that is also 30 degree. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
So we will like to do the practice.
No, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast. Now your AB is A, BD is A by 2. What will be your AD? What will be your AD?
Sir, it will be find by Pythagoras theorem.
Yes. In right angle triangle ADB. In right angle triangle ADB,
So will it be root 5a by 2?
in right angle triangle ADB, according to Pythagoras theorem, we get yes AD is square root of a square minus a by 2 square. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is AD? It becomes a square by 4. AD. Take LCM.
Root 3a by 2.
LCM is 4 a square minus a square. So AD, it becomes AD. That is your root 3a square by 4. So AD becomes root 3a by 2. Root 3a by 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
No, sir.
Have you done up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
May I erase it?
Yes, sir, you may. Yes.
Okay. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is your equilateral triangles. ABC. It is your perpendicular. That is your AD. That is your 30 degree. That is your 60 degree. That is your a by 2. That is your root 3 by 2a. That is your a. यही है ना भाई?
Yes,
a
sir.
by 2. ये कंप्लीट क्या है a. This is also a. Now we have to find out sin 60 degree. I am taking angle B at angle B. This is sin 60 degree. Sin is perpendicular upon my hypotenuse. If this is your angles and this is your right angle, it becomes base. BD is your base, AD is your perpendiculars, and AB is your hypotenuse. So perpendicular is root 3 by 2a. Root 3 by 2a. And hypotenuse is a. That is cancel out. It becomes root 3 by 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Sin 60 as well as cos 60. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is your base upon hypotenuse. What is your base? Base is your BD and hypotenuse is your AB. BD is a by 2. Hypotenuse is your a. It becomes 1 by 2 into, that is a by 1 by a by 2. Sorry.
Sir, here you have written sin 60 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. तो सर sin 60 तो हमारे दोनों राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में है, ट्रायंगल ABD में भी है और ट्रायंगल ACD में भी है। तो इन प्रैक्टिस हम अगर तो दोनों का अलग अलग निकालना पड़ेगा।
ट्रायंगल निकाल सकते हो, कोई भी एक ट्रायंगल ले सकते हो, एडीबी ले लो या एसीडी ले लो, कोई भी ट्रायंगल ले लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
हम रोज आपको दे दिया करेंगे काट के करवा दिया करेंगे। ये मैम के पास जाता है ना तो आप
ठीक है, आप कोई ट्रायंगल ले सकते हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ठीक है,
पहुंचाना पड़ता है।
Yes.
ओके, दैट इज a by 1, it becomes a by 2 and 1 by a, so it becomes 1 by 2 cos 60 degree 1 by 2। वैल्यू सही आ रही नहीं आ रही है?
Yes.
tan 60 degree,
Yes.
tan 60 perpendicular by base, your perpendicular is AD, AD by BD, AD is root 3 by 2 A, and your that is your A, this is your BD is your A by 2, yes, root 3 by 2 A, it becomes reciprocal, that is 2 by A, that is root 3, root 3. Now you can find out the value of cos x 60 degree, sec 60 degree, cot 60 degree, you can find out cos x 60 degree, cos x 60 degree the reciprocal of 1 upon sin 60 degree, and sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so it becomes 2 by root 3. Next is your sec 60 degree, sec 60 degree the reciprocal of 1 by cos 60 degree, and what is cos 60 degree? What is the value of cos 60 degree? 1 by 2, it becomes 2. Okay, your next is
Yes, sir.
cot 60 degree, cot of 60 degree, 1 by tan 60 degree, and tan 60 is 1 by root 3,
Root 3.
it becomes root 3. Okay, do it fast.
Yes, sir. Sir, cos 60 degree are written 1 upon
Okay, wait.
root 3 by A.
Cos okay, that is root 3. Okay, अब ठीक है, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. Sir, now sin 30.
Yeah, yes, 30 degree. May I raise it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is a right angle triangle. It is not. It is a equilateral triangles. That is your A. That is your B. That is your C. This is your AD. That is A by 2. It becomes A by 2. That is root 3 by 2. A. It is your 30 degree. It is your 60 degree. It is your 90 degree. It is your A. Yes. In right angle triangle ADB. अब हमें क्या करना है? We have to find out the value of sin 30 degree. If we take 30 degree as angle, So AD becomes base. AD becomes base. BD becomes perpendicular, and AB will be your hypotenuse. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. In right angle triangle ADB.
No, sir.
Listen to me. Today there is substitution of sixth period. Of sixth period, I will take your substitution of sixth period. Please join the class, and on in sixth period, I will complete the remaining trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. I will complete it. Okay?
Okay,
In
sir.
sixth period.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Your Hindi teacher.
also be
Yes. Today your listen. Today your Hindi teacher is absent. Alka ma'am is absent. Pratima ma'am is also absent. So many teachers is absent today. Yes. I will take your sixth period. Okay.
we are asking that period who will take our substitution.
Yes. Now sine 30 degree. Sine 30. Sine is your perpendicular from hypotenuse. Perpendicular is your BD. Hypotenuse your AB. Your BD is A by 2 and this is A. A by 2 and it becomes 1 by A. Cancel out. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Sine 30. Next is your cos 30. Cos 30. Base on hypotenuse. Your base is your base is AD. Base is AD.
Yes, sir.
AD by AB.
Yes.
What is AD? AD is root 3 by 2A. And AB is, what is your AB? A. Root 3, that is cancel out. So it becomes root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Now
Yes.
next is your tan 30 degree.
30.
Tan 30 perpendicular by base. Your perpendicular is BD by AD. BD by AD. Your BD is A by 2. BD is A by 2 and AD is root 3 by 2. A. So reciprocal of A by 2, it becomes 2 by root 3A. Cancel out, that is cancel out, so it becomes 1 by root 3. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, any doubt, any problems? Now cosec of 30 degree. Cosec of 30 degree. Cosec 30, 1 by sine 30. Cosec 30, 1 by sine 30. And sine 30.
1 by 2.
becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 2.
Yes.
Sec 30. Sec 30. 1 by cos 30. And cos 30 is
2 by root 3.
cos 30
Root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2 and it becomes 2 by root 3.
2 by root 3.
Yes. Next is your cot 30 and cot is the reciprocal of tan 1 by tan 30 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. It becomes root 3. Okay.